Hey, in front of me is REALME C55 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access privacy section. Now tap on privacy at the top and select app lock. Then click on this switcher next to app lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up by tapping on settings in this pop-up. Over here, you can click on use a different password type and select the best login method for your apps. In my case, pattern. Now create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here, set up recovery email and tap on confirm in order to save it. Then answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question and tap on custom question at the bottom. Then create your own. Remember to answer your question correctly below and tap on the check mark at the top right corner when you're ready. Finally, click on the switchers next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Amazon Shopping. So when I go back and try to access Amazon app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from your app, access the same privacy settings, tap on app lock, enter your current privacy password and tap on the same now blue switcher. In order to disable app lock completely, click on this switcher next to app lock feature. And now it's disabled. You can enable it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!